Well, hello, and thank you for stopping by. My name's Ryan, and I am that random geeky guy. I'm sat in front of you today to explain kind of who I am and what it is that we do here at that random geeky guy on YouTube. So, we produce videos around primarily budget builds, gaming PCs, workstations, and basically trying to build something that is good value for money. Doesn't necessarily mean cheap, but hopefully, most of the time, it means good value. And we're known for those budget builds. So that's kind of the primary thing that we do here. We also have some other random geeky stuff, hence the random geeky guy. So that's what we're about. I'm a small independent YouTuber. This is something I love. I'm a big techie. I'm very geeky, and I love all this sort of stuff. I'm currently sat in what I sometimes refer to as my man cave, surrounded by some of the stuff that I'm into. So I've got my gaming PC behind me. Please check out some of my other videos if you want to see what that's all about. I collect comic books, I collect Lego, I collect all the different random things, and I sometimes wonder why my wife puts up with it, but she does. So we live in the UK, and we've actually recently had a little person join our little unit. So I actually have a daughter now, which is really enlightening, and I absolutely love the fact that she exists. It's mad how much having a little person can change your life in such a short period of time. Anyway, I kind of go off subject there a little bit. So yeah, we make primarily budget-focused videos, specifically around PC gaming and workstation gaming. A lot of that can involve buying used parts, how to use the market to your advantage, to find the right things, and to produce a good, usable piece of hardware. Now, I produced this video in 2021, well, early 2021. I say early, almost mid-2021. And budget building was quite challenging. So if you're watching this video quite far in the future, you may not know about what was a massive silicon shortage that hit late 2020, early 2021, which was primarily affected by the coronavirus pandemic that hit the world. But also around kind of want and need and desire for some new products. So yeah, budget building right now is challenging, but still possible. Make sure you check out some of my other videos to see exactly how you can do that. The other thing I wanted to talk about is how you can support me as a small independent YouTuber. First one, which is free, is to subscribe to the channel. It means a huge amount. You can hit that bell icon and be notified of all future videos. So if you haven't done that and you like independent content that is just kind of friendly and approachable, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified. The other big one, which is really important to me, is I love to interact with the community. So make sure you comment on videos, comment on this video, comment on any other video of mine that you watch, and I'll do my very best to get into a discussion with you and to talk about the content of that video. So that's kind of what I'm about. It's what I do. The final thing that we also have is we have our website, which is that randomgeekyguy.com. You can head over there to find out a little bit more about me. You can also donate to support the channel, and you can also buy some of our merch that does exactly the same thing. So if you have the time, there's a link in the video description. Head on over to that randomgeekyguy.com. Check out some of the other stuff that we do on there and some of the other content we've got and some of our other social media channels. Other than that, like I said, thank you for taking the time out of your day to visit my channel, to watch this video. Please stick around, and if you've got any feedback whatsoever, positive, negative, whatever it might be, stick it in the comment section below. I thrive off that stuff, but have a fantastic day, and hopefully I see you again soon.